In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix this site can't be reached error in Google Chrome. First thing you want to do is disable IVP6. For that, search for Control Panel. Launch it. Now navigate to the option Network and Internet. Then head over to the option Network and Sharing Center. From here, click on your active connection. That's usually your Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Now click on Properties. In this list, scroll down until you see Internet Protocol version 6, IPv6, and simply uncheck the box next to it. Click OK, then close the window. Now try browsing again and see if the error is gone. If the problem is still there, let's move on to the next fix. Open the Start menu again and type Proxy. Then click on Proxy Settings. If you see that a manual proxy server is turned on, simply turn it off. Close the window and check Chrome again. This should fix it for many users. If you're still getting the error, don't worry, here's the final fix. Launch your settings. Now head over to the option Network and Internet. Now navigate to the option Advanced Network Settings. Now scroll down and click on the option Network Reset. Click on the option Reset now and confirm it. Your computer will restart. After the reboot, open Chrome, refresh the page, and the error should be gone. And that's it. One of these fixes will resolve this site can't be reached error in Google Chrome. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.